Hello friends, my name is Amarachi Chinonyeremo Indimele, a seasoned Igbo language teacher with so many years of teaching experience and still in practice. Learning Igbo language or learning your language in a different dimension can be very fascinating when you have Opro as a tutor. In my years of teaching experience, one of the major keys I use to drive in what I'm teaching is patience. By this patience, I tend to follow the students gradually in their own pace, thereby making them understand all the things I want them to get while I teach. Another key I use is interactiveness or communication. By using this communication skill, I make the students follow me word for word, thereby making them understand the pronunciation, the meaning, and the knowledge of the language I am teaching. On the flip side of it, abụ m nwaada mara ihe ekwe na-akụ n'asụsụ Igbo. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọọ ịma titi na riri niile nọ n'asụsụ Igbo, ọ bụrụ na ị chọọ ịbụrụ ọkacha ibe, ọ tụrụ m ka m nye gị ha niile n'uju ya. Ka emesịanụ.